So lesson 4.7, this time we will talk about solving the radical equations. So let's look at page 78. So a few questions. So whenever we have root x equal to maybe 3 like that, if you want to find out x value, we usually do square. Then x becomes 9. So whenever we have any square x term and square the radical term, then we isolate them and square them. Then you can get the equation, rational equation. So let's look at y. This is the square root 3x plus 1 equal to 5. So in order to solve these questions, like we did here, we square both sides. Then 3x plus 1 equal to 25 here. And now you solve for x from here. So minus 1. So 3x equal to 24 and divide by 3. So x equal to 8. However, you shouldn't just circle and then confirm x equal 8 is the answer. The reason is we know root 5 makes sense. Root 0 makes sense, but root negative 5 doesn't make sense. So we have to find out whether this answer just makes a real answer. Also, these two sides are equal to each other. So you need to double check and plug this into x here, and then you need to double check whether that works for this equation. So you must check though. Okay, check. Square root 3 times 8 plus 1 equal to 5. We don't know yet, so I put the question mark on the equal sign. Then this becomes square root 24 plus 1. So equal to root 25, which is 5, right? Therefore, x equal 8. Finally, we can say that is the answer. Okay. Another question. Letter AA, which is square root 4x plus 1 equal to negative 5. So we apply the same concept. Then 4x plus 1 equal to 25, and then you substitute 1 both sides. So 4x equal to 24, so divide by 4, so x equal 6. Before circle that's the answer, you must check. So check square root 4 times 6 plus 1 equal to negative 5. We don't know yet. So this will become square root of 24 plus 1 equal negative 5. We don't know yet. Now, as you see, this becomes root 25, which is actually 5. That's not equal to negative 5. So, even though you did all this hard work, unfortunately, 6 is not the answer. So, this answer becomes no solution. Okay. Okay. So look at a little bit harder questions, such as HH. It shows that cubic square root 2x plus 7 equal to 3. So before we are talking about square root, but this time we are talking about cubic root. When we do square root case, in order to make a single x, we square them. Then if we have cubic root, then you need to do cube so that it becomes single x. Therefore, you are doing cubic both sides here. Then this becomes 2x plus 7 equal to 27. So subtract 7. Then 2x equal to 20. Now divide by 2 and we got x equal to 10. But this time we are dealing with the cubic radical function. So cubic function case, cube root 5, cube root 0, cube root -5, they are all working, so checking is not necessary. So that's the answer.